In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix the Roblox stuck on joining server error. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, let's say I'm trying to play Roblox and I'm trying to join a specific game, and for some reason it just doesn't let me. I get a joining server error. That could be super annoying. So what I want to do firstly is close out of the Roblox player, like so. And the first thing I want to do is go to search and then type in run, like so. Click on it and it's going to open up this little thing here. So all I want to type in is percentage temp percentage, like so. It's going to go ahead and open up this folder. Now over here, you want to look for the Roblox folder right here. And then you can go ahead and click on it if you want to, but you just want to go ahead and delete this folder. I'd also just recommend deleting everything else in your temp folder because they're just temporary files that might bug anything out. So just go ahead and clear this whole file folder and then press skip on anything that needs to, skip basically. And then it's just going to delete everything that needs to be skipped. And then it's just going to show you all the items that are basically recycled here. Now, while that's happening in the background, what I could also go ahead and do is go over to the bottom, then go and type in CMD and then go and run the command prompt as administrator. Your screen might go black for a second. And then all you want to do from here is do like a little slash and then do flush DNS and then press enter, and it's kind of going to like flush your internet connection and just restart it. And then when you go to Roblox player again and you join a server, you will be good to go.